Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you how to use left join and right join in SQL Server. Okay, a left join returns all rows from the left table, matching rows from the right table, and null for columns from the right table if there is no match. Okay, a right join returns all rows from the right table, matching rows from the left table, and null for the columns from the left table if there is no match. Okay. Now we are going to use an example, two tables, sales and product. Sales table contains all the records or detail for related sales, and product table contains all information related to the product. Okay, let's see the result. This is the sales table and this is the product table. Sales table contains product ID here. Now this have information related to only two products, 2 and 3. Quantity, total amount. In the left join, we will consider this table as a left table and this is the right side table. We'll expect all the records from the sales table and only match record from the product table. Okay. Going to execute all three queries together so that we can compare the result. Here, all the records from the left table, this is the left table, and all the matching records from the right side product table. Okay, there is no null because here product which is exist in the sales table all are present in the product table. Okay, now we are going to use the right join. Now you can see the difference. This is now this time product is right side table and this is also left side table. All records are written from the product table here and only match record from the left side table. This one sales. These are the match records and where the record is not matched here. Null is written from the left side table which is the sales table. Thank you for watching this video.